Alright, so it's 7:49 a.m. It's 4/4/2023, March 4th. And so we got a pretty good trend working up right now. We've struggled to get through this area, not really this bottom range, but the top of it. Yesterday we traded in that or right above it all day. So there's a pretty good chance we're coming to the top of this range. We may get a little resistance at the bottom, but we should be making it through the top. So we just have to get a good entry. I really want to wait for a higher low to be our first trade. So actually, if we get a trend break here and maybe 2 legs down, will be even better before we take our first entry. All right, what we're making here is a pretty nice second entry. It's the high. We got the first entry, pull back again, making a second entry. It did break lower. It's right off the EMA. So this turns into a good signal candle, which it is. It's also looking like a low, another higher low, heading up to these highs. I'm gonna have to take it. So we are in for our first trade. Again, we've been coming up to this area pretty strongly. Up here is where I really expect prices to go. So 3 minutes and we'll know. "45 seconds. Looked like it was a great call." That was the perfect second entry long with the perfect result. Don't always work this well, but when they work, they work. Second entry is a high probability trade. That was right off the key entry point, right off, which is the EMA when I say key entry point. So it was actually the perfect, and the signal candle was beautiful. Signal candle was beautiful. So I expected some little resistance there. So this is working out exactly as I saw it. Good win. So we're now looking at Pfizer. It had a monster of a rally. Didn't even really give you any entries. Didn't touch the EMA at all. So this is a very strong trend. But now we've had a trend break really two. Well, this is one leg pull back, two. This is really 3 legs back. So we would expect to try to come up and retest these highs. We got a matching bottom here. So our play would be a higher low once we get back above the EMA to retest these highs. So we'll see if that sets up for us. On the day chart, everything looks good. We got plenty of room before we hit any resistance. Four hour, we got plenty of room before we hit any resistance. And the hour had a humongous candle up. So this could really be making a rally base rally, expecting to come up here. So yeah, it's 8:40 now. So at 9 o'clock, we definitely could start trending back up again. Or before. We'll see. Now we're making matching. Now we're seeing more and more stems right in this area. We could be finding support or the demand zone now. Let me look back over here. This was a big push in this area. A lot of buyers was sitting right here last time we were in this area. So we wait. So what we got count from the lows here is a first entry, pushed up, a second entry. So this is a second entry short. It looks like it's trying to work, but if it fails and closes above here, that's a second entry short failure, and I count it as a higher low also. But this downtrend has been a real downtrend, so. But man, have we pulled back though. I mean, this was a great run up. It's a huge 2 legs up, so I'm not shocked that it made a real strong move back down. But eventually, the market cycle, we should get a break and a retest to these highs. Maybe coming here, low, higher low. Is it gonna give us a good signal candle up? That's the question. No. Oh, got a low here. Got another matching low. This actually may be our higher low entry right here. Pushing back above the EMA. I would have left all this to take place on top of the EMA, but it's looking pretty good. Yep, again, we're expecting to test those new highs. This is it. Good entry. 3 minutes to go. 38 seconds. $14 seconds. Look like we're kind of trying to make a rally-based rally too, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait for something better off the EMA. 5, 4. Good win. Perfect. High or low. See if this candle can stay above the can't stay above the EMA. It's a little bit too much strength. That's a little bit too much sales strength. I don't want to see that much sales strength. I really would have rather seen this candle come all the way back and then bounce. But now we got a clear close under the EMA, so no go. Yeah. Good deal. Right. Mm-hmm. I'm in a trade, man. Tesla. We got a minute to go, but it's trying to come back and get us. $49 seconds. Push up. Got it. We got it. So that'll do it. We got our 3 wins today. So got our 3 wins. So it was a great trading day. So I'm using Pocket Option as my broker. I'll put a link in the description. Hey, get it on demo and start learning how to read charts and start learning price action. And you can take these trades. This was kind of a higher low entry, a beautiful signal candle. It was also out of this congestion. It was a counter trend pullback to the EMA that couldn't get under it. But all this stem here, this is what gave me the confidence to take that trade, because it was just too much buy pressure. Closed on its top, beautiful entry. We had a huge run up. It scared us. It definitely scared us. But It was a good win. So again, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.